Welcome to Defense Space. In this video, we will delve into the challenges that the F-35 program is facing, specifically the shortage of spare parts. The F-35 is an advanced stealth fighter jet and one of the most expensive weapon systems ever developed. With over 300,000 parts, the F-35 requires extensive maintenance and support to ensure it's always combat ready. In this video, we will explore the causes and consequences of the F-35's spare parts shortage, its impact on the aircraft's operational capabilities, and the efforts being made to address the issue. The F-35 program is a joint venture between 9 countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia. Each country is responsible for producing different components of the aircraft, which are then assembled into the final product at a central location. This approach was designed to reduce the cost of the program and create jobs in multiple countries, but it has also made managing the supply chain challenging. One of the reasons for the shortage of spare parts is the complexity of the F-35's global supply chain. The supply chain involves multiple countries, companies, and subcontractors, which makes it difficult to coordinate the production and delivery of parts. Additionally, some countries are facing production problems, which further exacerbates the issue. For example, Turkey, one of the key suppliers for the F-35, was removed from the program in 2019, which led to a disruption in the supply of parts. Another reason for the shortage is the high rate of usage of the F-35. The aircraft has been deployed in multiple conflicts, including Syria, Iraq, and Afghanistan. This extensive usage has put a strain on the supply chain, with some parts wearing out faster than anticipated. In addition, the F-35 is still in the early stages of its development, and as such, there is a higher demand for spare parts to replace faulty components. The shortage of spare parts is not just an inconvenience. It's a significant threat to the F-35's operational capabilities. The aircraft is designed to operate in hostile environments, where every second counts. If a critical component fails and a spare part is not available, the aircraft could be grounded for an extended period, jeopardizing the mission and putting the pilot's life at risk. According to a report by the Government Accountability Office (GAO), the F-35 program is facing a shortfall of about 4,000 spare parts, with more than half of them categorized as critical. These critical parts include items like the canopy actuator, which controls the opening and closing of the cockpit canopy, and the power module, which provides power to the aircraft's electronics. If any of these components fail, the aircraft could be grounded for weeks, if not months. The F-35's spare parts shortage has also affected the aircraft's availability. In 2019, the F-35's mission-capable rates, which measure the percentage of aircraft available for combat, were only 50%, well below the target of 80%. This means that only half of the F-35s in service were available for combat missions, which is a significant issue for a program that has cost over $1.7 trillion. The Pentagon's decision to approve low-rate production of hundreds of F-35s, despite the design not being finalized in many respects, with the idea that necessary upgrades would be integrated into the jets on a rolling basis as time went on. This was presented as a cost and time-saving measure, but it also proved to be a problem. Though efforts have been made to stabilize the situation, F-35 jets across the U.S. military continue to exist in many sub-configurations, both in terms of hardware and software. The differences between very early jets and more recent production examples are so significant that it has become cost-prohibitive to continue to upgrade many of the former aircraft. Depots have also been clogged with older jets needing key fixes and enhancements to bring them up to speed. Some of the oldest types may only be used for a fraction of their planned service lives. F-35's engine has been under spec since the beginning. This means it has to run hotter than originally planned for extended periods of time to meet current power and cooling requirements, which causes increased wear and tear. This has, not surprisingly, increased maintenance demands and created a backlog that has been sidelining jets at a worryingly high rate for nearly 2 years now at least. To address the spare parts shortage, the F-35 program has taken several steps. One of the main initiatives is to increase the production of parts to meet the demand. The program has also implemented a predictive maintenance system, which uses data analytics and machine learning to identify potential issues before they become critical. This system has helped reduce the number of unscheduled maintenance events, which has increased the availability of the aircraft. It is not unexpected that the just-in-time logistics will simply not be enough in a major battle, according to the increasing agreement among F-35 communities in the United States and overseas. Sadly, it is still unclear how quickly and effectively the Joint Strike Fighter program can revamp its supply chains to be more resilient to any future hiccups, ones that will probably come in large numbers at the worst possible times like a war. Thanks for watching. If you came this far, that means you like our content. If you like our way of presenting things, thereby simplifying defense technologies for you, do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon and select all option to get notified when we upload a video. Do like and share this video with friends and family. It will help us create more content like this in the future. This is Defense Space signing off.